Hello everyone, welcome to Santhu Analytics. Today let's learn the story of the lost kitten. It was a bright and sunny morning in the small village of Greenfield. 10-year-old Mia loved to play in a garden, watching the birds and picking flowers. But today was different. She heard a soft meow from behind the bushes. Curious, she walked toward the sound and found a tiny orange kitten hiding under a pile of leaves. It looked scared and hungry. Mia gently picked it up and patted its little head. Where did you come from, little one? She asked. The kitten purred but did not answer. Of course, Mia knew she had to help. She ran inside and brought a small bowl of milk. The kitten eagerly drank it. Mia wanted to keep the kitten, but she knew it might belong to someone. She decided to ask around. She knocked on Mistress Brown's door first. Is this your kitten? Mistress Brown shook her head. No, dear, but it looks familiar. Try asking Mr. Jones. Mia went to Mr. Jones' house, but he said the same thing. She asked many people, but no one knew where the kitten came from. Finally, she reached the village bakery. The baker, Mistress Wilson, smiled when she saw the kitten. Oh, little Whiskers, you ran away, she said, taking the kitten into her arms. Mia felt both happy and a little sad. She had grown attached to the kitten, but seeing Mrs. Wilson's joy, she knew she did the right thing. Thank you, Mia, Mrs. Wilson said. You are kind and responsible. Come anytime to visit Whiskers. Mia smiled and waved goodbye. She knew that even though she had to let the kitten go, she had gained something even more special, a new friend. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.